Hello everybody and welcome to Mon-ARA's channel. Today we are making a tropical strawberry acai whipped body cream. This is a simple body cream that involves just 2 ingredients, but I decided to make it 3. So you want to start by melting your shea butter and your acai butter. Don't worry if you don't have acai butter, just replace the acai butter for shea butter. This cream is so simple to make and gives you amazing results. You'll be amazed. Just stay tuned and please follow every single step to the T. Once you've melted your shea butter and your acai butter, you just want to melt it till it is just slightly melted, not too hot. Once you can put it in the microwave for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, and that would be sufficient. Once it's slightly melted, you want to mix it till everything is finally incorporated. Once your butters are all fluid, you want to weigh and measure your pineapple oil. This pineapple oil was homemade, and if you haven't watched my video on how to make pineapple oil, there will be a link in the description box below where you can see how to make your own pineapple oil. Also, all the ingredients and measurements for this whipped body cream will be down in the description box. From here on, you want to put this mixture in the freezer for 15 minutes, 15. After 15 minutes, take it out of the freezer. If you do not have a timer, you can always use your mobile phone. Just make sure it's 15 minutes. Now you're going to whip this cream for 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. 3 minutes. Our cream is going to start turning into a whitish color, and then you know it's actually whipping correctly. So you're going to whip it for 3 minutes or until you start to see it change its color into a white, really white kind of looking color, and then you know it's good. But also make sure you have your mobile phone right next to you just for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes whip is up, you're going to put it back in the freezer. This time you're going to freeze it for just 3 minutes. You're going to freeze it this time, I repeat, for just 3 minutes. Alright, so 3 minutes has passed. Now you're going to whip it again for another 3 minutes. Yes, 3 minutes. So this is going to be our second whip. The first whip was for 3 minutes. Second whip again for 3 minutes. Alright, once that's done, you want to freeze it again for a second time, this time for 3 minutes. So this is the second 3-minute freeze. At this point, it's starting to look like ice cream, right? But it's not ready. Just freeze it for another 3 minutes. All right, 3 minutes up for freezing. Back to whipping for another 3 minutes. This is going to be our third whip. Okay, just pay attention. And if you don't understand, I have also put down written text on the video for you to follow. Please follow this guideline as they would help you a lot. I am so pleased that a lot of people also find my how to make whipped body butter very, very helpful. And this is another way of getting a very unique texture, smooth texture body cream without using too many ingredients. So at this point, we've gotten to our final whip phase. It was frozen again for another 3 minutes, and we're going to whip it for another 3 minutes. But before then, you're going to add your fragrance, and you're also going to add a skin safe mica. I'm using a raspberry mica from Brambleberry, and I'm using my fragrance oil from wholesale supplies. Wholesale supplies, and I'm using the fragrance called pickled strawberry. Now this fragrance is so sweet. Once you put it on your skin, everyone would want to lick your skin. It's that delicious. Okay, so whipping it again for 3 minutes, and this is our final whip. And once that's done, you've got luscious looking, so strawberry licious whipped body cream. At this point, it's all good to go, but one final thing is I am going to put this cream to the test. Yes, I am going to put this whipped cream to the test. I'm going to let it stand out for at least 10 minutes so you guys can see the texture after 10 minutes. So my time is at 8:38, and we're going to leave it out for another 10 minutes to see if it's going to stand the test of time. Now my time is 8:48, and let's see. What do you guys think? Yes, our whipped cream is still soft and smooth looking. It's also very easy to apply and doesn't feel too oily. I used shea butter from Brambleberry, and it was the unrefined shea butter, but you can use any type of shea butter you have. At this point, you just want to put it or fill it into your preferred container. It doesn't matter how you fill it up. Just put it in a container. This batch made about 8 ounces of whipped body lotion. So if you have a big jar, then go ahead and fill your jars. I was able to fill about 2 of these jars, but it was very tight. So go ahead and enjoy your strawberry licious whipped body lotion and give me some feedback. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and watch my other videos. Thank you for watching.